Which is nice that you can crop the video at the end, so
Yeah.
I can crop out the...
No, I've never had that issue.
Like not knowing how to turn off the recorder.
I've never had that issue.
But I actually have it set to record the full screen, so that might be the issue.
Okay, maybe that is what it is. What do you need from me? How'd it go? I'm still doing it. All right. So suppose that the lifetime of light bulbs is normally distributed with a mean of 56 hours and a standard deviation of 3.3. With this information, answer the following questions. What proportion of light bulbs will last more than 62 hours? Let's get rid of this. Get rid of that. Anyone want to do this? Anyone want to be on YouTube? Not visually, but auditorially? Is that the right way of saying that? I don't know. Verbally? All right, fine. You guys are all boring. Just like my regular college students. There we go. All right, so let's draw the normal distribution, please.
That's really bad, but
That's good enough.
Okay.
That'll be fine. All right, so the mean is
56.
56. Perfect. Where is the value that we're looking for?
62. So
Is 62 greater than 56?
about here-ish.
Yeah, perfect. So let's label that 62. Do we want it more than 62 or less than 62?
More.
More. So let's shade to the right. Excellent. So by the way, this is still picking up the calculator. So let's go over to the calculator. Hit second vars. Normal CDF, because we're talking about normal distribution. Our lower bound is 62, comma. Our upper bound is, 999 works. Mean is 56. Standard deviation is
3.3.
There we go. Excellent. And we rounded correctly, right?
Doesn't tell me what to round to, but yeah.
I'm just kidding with you. All right, so that's how we can make a quick video.